A really popular use case in autoRetouch is resizing images that have been already retouched, so you can adapt them to put them on a different distribution channel, a new marketplace, a new shop, a newsletter, and so on. Let's take a look at how to do that at scale in autoRetouch. We'll create a new workflow and take one of these images, and then we're going to take the remove background component and select remove plain background. Now what remove plain background will do is it will look at the color of the background, and that only works if the color of the background is uniform. So it needs to be more or less the same hex value all over the background, which is typically the case with already retouched images. And with that, we isolate the object. Now we drag on the set on canvas component. And in the set on canvas component, we can precisely define the size of our new format. So let's say it's going to be a square of 1200 by 1200 pixels. All right, that's already a bit blown up. And in the padding, you can specify the distance from the margin. So let's do a padding of 400 from the top, and then 50, 50, 50 from each side. And if we preview that, you see that it's neatly arranged in the lower half of the image on a square file, which comes from a 2:3 aspect ratio. Now in the next box here, we can define the alignment. So in that case, on a vertical alignment, we'd like to have bottom, so it's really close to the bottom. And last but not least, we're dragging in the export component, and we specify what kind of file type we want it saved to. In that case, it's a JPEG. All right, so this is my resizing workflow. I click save. That's gonna cost me 10 cents per image that's processed. I click run. Now I take all 4 images in here, drop them in, wait a couple of seconds, and I'm done. I can download each one of them individually. Or I can download them all at once as a zip file. That's how easy it is to resize all of your product images for different channels with autoRetouch.